friends, today we will show you unboxing of this stand fan, which is Geepas 16-inch stand fan. It has got 3 speed and 3 power blades, and it has the rotation like oscillation to right and left, and this grill which is like the safety feature of this. It comes with a 2 years warranty. Let's open and see how this works. Wow, this is the fan. Okay, let's take out all the parts first. Okay, this looks like the stand. This looks like the motor. This is heavy. And lastly, this is the stand. So the manual is in here, and this tells you how to set this up with each of the steps, which we will now show you how to assemble this, because this comes in individual parts. Let's do that now. So these are, friends, all the parts that we have received and the booklet. Let's open these parts. Okay, this is the fan blade, which we will fix shortly. This is the stand. This is the bottom stand on which the fan will stand, as shown in the picture. And this is the heavy duty motor with the power plug. Wow, so this motor is quite heavy, so just be careful when you are handling it. Okay, so these are the parts. So now we will install them all one by one. So the first step is to set the base for the fan, which is you take these 2 rods and you just connect them like this. Okay, so this is the first step. So this is your base, and then you have to unscrew these screws so you can fix this base pole over here. Let's do that now. So we have now taken out the screws, and now we will screw them back on with the stand on top of it. Okay friends, so we have now put all the screws on. So now we will put the other part on top. So the good point now, friend, is we just thought that this part is missing, and because you can't see it anywhere else, we were just thinking, why is this part missing? So remember, friends, this is a very clever technique these guys have done. This is inside this. So remember to pull it like this, and voila, your adjustable stand is in here. I just pulled it from inside. See, like this. Wow. So it is there, it is not missing. My initial reaction was that this is missing. You have to put on top of the stand like this, and by this way you can cover the screws and put this lid on top. Okay friends, let's now fit the motor of the fan on top like this, as you can see. Now we have to screw this from the back, as you can see here, like this. So one part of installation, friends, which took me some time to understand, is this part, in which you have to take this screw out by turning it on the right side. So if you keep turning it on the right, as you can see, this starts to open up, and you have to take this away to install the fan. So that's taken off now. Then you need to take this part off like this. This was very easy, but the first one took some time for me. Then you put the fan back base here. The points will come like these, as you can see. Yeah, then you have to fix this part like this here. Okay, now we will put on the fan blade like this. You see the circle, it needs to go down in the screw like this. Okay, then the top part you have to screw in like this. Now you have to, friends, turn it on the left side. This is now fixed so the fan blade doesn't go out. So friends, this is the Geepas logo which you will just put on, you know, to complete like, you know, just before the last step to put it on the fan. You have to screw it. Before you screw it, you have to remember the fan here, as you can see, has this hole at the bottom which will go in via screw. So the screw, you can see this is the screw point on the front side. So you have to match the direction like this. The screw that has been given as part of the installation kit, you can fix it like this. Okay friends, so now you have to place the front side of the fan like this, and then we will screw it at the bottom like we had shown you. So this is the screw that we have to tighten by placing it just below in the hole provided and putting the screw from behind. So just be careful, this is a very small screw that you don't lose it. It's now tightened, as you can see. Now we will close the these latches on the fan. This is slightly tighter than we expected. So friends, as you can see, the fan is now fully assembled. We will now plug and play it. Okay friends, let's play this. So the second button from the bottom is the start button. Wow. And you can increase the power like this. So this is on. Off is the bottom button. Okay, then we turn it on again, and then you can increase the speed by the third button, and the fourth button increases the speed further. So there are 3 speed levels: on, first, second. Okay, let's turn it off. To now make this rotate or oscillate, you first turn on the power button, then the button at the back, which is this button, you have to press it down, and as you can see, the fan starts to oscillate if you want the wider range of fan across the room like this. So friends, this is how we assembled the Geepas stand fan. And I hope the useful tips that we gave along the video were quite helpful. I hope you really like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. If while installation you have any questions, please type in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as we can. Thank you.